Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you hands-on reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best airline-approved pet carrier bag on the market, the Siivton 4-Sides Expandable Pet Carrier. If you're a pet parent who travels often or just wants a comfortable and secure carrier for vet visits, this might be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive into everything this carrier offers. The Siivton Pet Carrier is designed to be both airline-approved and pet-friendly, making it ideal for travel. The size of this model is 18 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 11 inches high. It's recommended for pets up to 15 pounds and dimensions smaller than 15 by 9 by 9 inches. That's important, because it ensures your pet has enough room to sit, turn, and lay down comfortably, which is essential for reducing travel stress. The build quality of the carrier is impressive. Made from high-quality polyester, it feels durable yet lightweight. The soft-sided structure ensures it fits under most airline seats while maintaining shape. Mesh windows on all sides provide maximum airflow, which helps keep your pet calm and cool. The zippers and seams are well stitched, and it also includes a sturdy top handle, adjustable shoulder strap, and a strap to secure it to your suitcase. The star feature of this carrier is its four-way expansion. Each side of the carrier unzips and folds out, creating more room for your pet to stretch and relax. Whether you're waiting at the airport or stopped during a road trip, these extensions can help reduce confinement anxiety. When expanded, the carrier gives your pet nearly double the space, turning it into a temporary travel lounge. This carrier was clearly designed with convenience in mind. It has multiple entry points, one on top and one on the side, making it easy to load or remove your pet. There's a plush fleece pad at the base which is fully removable and machine washable, ensuring easy cleanup after any travel accidents. It also has a strap to secure it in your car with a seat belt for added travel safety. One thing to note: when you first open the package, the zippers might be a bit stiff. The manufacturer actually suggests pulling the zipper slowly the first time to help ease it into shape and preserve its longevity. After that, setup and fold down are quick and easy, making it perfect for on-the-go pet parents. If your pet is close to the maximum allowed size, it's best to go for the extra-large version, which measures 20 by 11.4 by 12.4 inches. Getting the right size ensures your pet has space and stays calm during trips. Always measure your pet's length and height instead of relying on weight alone when selecting the size. So if you're looking for a reliable, spacious, and travel-friendly pet carrier, the Siivton 4-Sides Expandable Carrier is a top choice. It's thoughtfully designed for both pet comfort and owner convenience. Whether you're flying, driving, or just heading to the vet, this carrier offers security, comfort, and functionality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews right here on Product Critique. Safe travels, for you and your furry friend.